Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal. Amazon is another good stock that can let you make money if you trade intelligently at the right level. Its future earning projections are also up each quarter. I also do buy and sell in Amazon stock. So I wanted to share my analysis with you so it can help you make a better decision on Amazon stock trading. In this video, we will evaluate both the min-max price range for Amazon using PE ratio and technical charts to make this analysis more comprehensive. Now, let's get started. In the first step, I'm going to calculate the min-max expected price range for Amazon before the next earnings. So in order to do that, I made this table. I have the EPS forward, EPS trailing 12 months, last 30 days adjusted closing price, and then I calculated the P ratio using the EPS trailing 12 months and the P ratio using the forward EPS. The forward EPS is basically this quarter's earning actuals plus next 3 quarters earning projections. EPS trailing 12 months is this quarter's earning actuals plus last 3 quarters earning actuals. Then using those values, I calculated the P ratio TTM and the P ratio forward. I also have this table. This has the forward PE and the trailing PE for last 12 quarters. There's some blank cell here. The reason is some of the EPS actuals are negative. If I use those values to calculate the PE, that will be misleading. So I'm not going to use those PE in my calculations. Now, the third table I have here is the EPS projected versus actual for last 12 quarters and also the earning surprise for that quarter. Some are red and some are green. The reds are earning miss and the green are positive earning surprise. And also another table I have that has the EPS projections for next 4 quarters. You see that earning projections are going up each quarter. That is a very positive sign for Amazon. And I also calculated the min, average, and the maximum earning surprise for last 12 quarters. But in this calculation, I'm not using the negative values. Now I'm ready to calculate the min, max, and the average expected Amazon price before the next earning. For the minimum, you see the formula that is H4, that is forward EPS times P32, that is this guy. This is basically the minimum forward PE last 4 quarters, that is 36. And the third factor, I wanted to use this one, earning surprise, as a third factor, but I'm not using it because, see, there's so many negatives earning surprise. So to have this analysis as less biased as possible, I'm not going to use earning surprise or earning miss in my min-max calculation. So using those two values, I get the minimum expected price for Amazon. I get the minimum expected price for Amazon is 139. Similarly for average, same formula, H4 that is EPS forward, Q32 average value, last 4 quarters forward PE, that gives you 182. The third one is the maximum, same thing, H4 that is EPS forward times R32, that is the maximum forward PE for last 4 quarters. So that gives me maximum 219. So before the next earnings, Amazon should be moving between 139 and 219. At this point, Amazon is trading around 185. It's still above average, but it's not too bad because the max it can reach 219. So to me, if Amazon goes below 182, could be a good buy opportunity. Now let's take a look technical chart to find out what are the good levels to buy or sell. On your screen, I'm showing you 90-day, 1 hour interval chart. In the last 90 days, the minimum point was 143 and the maximum point was 186. I also have MACD. At this point, MACD line is above zero. That tells positive momentum is there. So early last week, there was not enough momentum on Amazon. But later last week, we got some momentum. You see positive MACD here, then it went down, and again positive going up. So momentum is there with Amazon. Now let's take a look what are the good levels. Let's draw some Fibonacci levels. Now I have the Fibonacci levels from 0% to 100%. I did not select this lowest point because I see that the more momentum or more bullish trend on Amazon is started from this point. From this point, you see Amazon started going up like crazy. From this point to the maximum point, it makes more sense for me to draw the Fibonacci levels to get the relevant support and the resistance levels. So the next level of support is 178, and after that is 174. So to me, the good buy opportunity before the next earning would be around 174. But I'm not sure Amazon can go down to that level before next earnings. If it does, then probably it'll be a good opportunity. But at this point, 178 is also not too bad. So if Amazon goes down below 178, it's another good opportunity to buy. On the upper side, the immediate resistance level is 186, but it should be able to break 186 if it gets more positive momentum. And based on the financial or the forward PE we just took a look, there's still some room to go further up. See, the max is 219 and the mean is 139. So if there are some negative news or data regarding Amazon, Amazon can also go down because the minimum point is 139. So Amazon still has some room to go down or go up, depending on the future data or the news. At this point, I do not see any negative news on Amazon. The trend is up. Now let's take a quick look on RSI. So RSI at this point is at 61 on 90-day 1-hour interval chart. So it's neither oversold nor overbought. So it can go either way based on RSI. But I'm gonna trust more on the Fibonacci levels to open a buy or sell position for Monday and Tuesday. I'm gonna place a buy position probably around 178 for Monday. Let's see if I can get it or not. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more tomorrow. Take care.